always like walking in the rain, so no one can see me crying.
Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain.
The only noise now was the rain, pattering softly with the magnificent indifference of nature for the tangled passions of humans.
Innocent droplets of rain make almost all events quite natural.
Kiss me with rain on your eyelashes. Come on, let us sway together, under the trees, and to hell with thunder.
What's a rainy day without some delicious, coffee-flavored loneliness?
Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head, with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby.
Rain is grace. Rain is the sky, descending to the earth. Without rain, there would be no life.
I like it when it rains hard. It sounds like white noise everywhere, which is like silence, but not empty.
Into each life some rain must fall, some days must be dark and dreary.
The sound of the rain needs no translation.
The rain fell alike, upon the just and upon the unjust, and for nothing was there a why, and a wherefore.
One can find so many pains when the rain is falling.
There is nothing quite like the smell of rain on a grass field, after a sunny spell.
Sunshine is delicious. Rain is refreshing. Wind braces us up. Snow is exhilarating. There is really no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather.